Here is an in-depth explanation of exactly how you can operate the DB Vespa professional camera system for the safe removal of Asian Hornets. You will receive the camera with the tripod. Once you open it up, inside you will find the following items: the main monitor, the camera, and the batteries in a charging case. These are the pins used for turning on the camera. A charger for the monitor and the charging case for the batteries. All the cabling. And down here below, you will also be able to find the tie wraps for securely mounting the camera. I will now demonstrate exactly how it works. I have a test tube here. We are going to mount the camera on it. Let's grab the tie wraps. These are reusable tie wraps, so they do not need to be cut. You carefully thread them through the small slots located here on the digital camera. There, it is then mounted onto the bicycle's top tube. You can adjust how far from the top you want it yourself. That can be set according to your preference. There, now the camera is firmly secured. Next, you can carefully lift this part at the back here and pull it all the way backwards. Then it should open right up for you, just like that. Here you will see a minus sign for the battery and a plus sign for the battery. This is how we will insert the batteries. So by aligning the minus and plus signs, this component goes right back into its position. There we go. Now you have these little pins included. These are for turning the camera on. This is intentionally set a bit inside the casing so that you don't accidentally turn the camera on or off with a branch while working. At the moment, the camera is off. Now we turn it on. Then you will see a light. That way you know the camera is on. Next, we pick up the monitor and press and hold the power button for a moment. As you can see, you get an image right away. If you don't get an image immediately, then here, I'll show it to you up close on the screen, although you can see there is a search button. You press that once. As long as the camera is on, it will automatically connect to the monitor. This monitor can then be securely mounted onto the tripod stand, the supplied tripod. I'll open it right up for you here. This is the tripod. Then you unscrew the black cap here. And then you have two options. You can choose to always have the monitor standing perfectly upright by mounting it directly onto this specific bracket here, ensuring that the screen will always face you in a completely upright position, just like this for your convenience. But if you want a bit of flexibility, for example, to mount the monitor pointing slightly downward or upward, there's also a small part included for that. You carefully screw that piece firmly onto this part. Tighten it well like this. With this, you can simply adjust the side angle. Now we'll fasten this onto here. And just like that, now you can easily decide whether the fully adjustable monitor should point forward, backward, downward, or in any other specific direction that you could possibly imagine. You simply click the monitor into this. It effortlessly snaps right into its place like that. Then you tighten this, and then it stays put. To remove it again, you actually do exactly the same thing with the supplied pins. Now the lights are on, and like this, they're off. Done.